For the needs of this tutorial, we are going to use a Logo 1224RC from Siemens. It has a display panel, a user interface with arrow keys going forward and backward, up and down, plus 2 additional keys Escape and OK. Our model has 4 relay outputs with 2 connectors. The potential of the relay contacts is isolated from the power supply and the inputs. On the other side, we have 8 digital inputs marked from I1 to I8. In case of this particular logo, there is also a possibility of using I1, I2, I7 and I8 as analog inputs. Next to the display screen, there is a socket through which you can connect the logo to a PC. To do so, you will also need a PC cable that can be connected to a USB port and a compatible software for your PC. Turning to the other side, we can see a socket that allows us to connect an external TD panel, and here we have a socket that allows us to hook up external expansion modules. For specific information on available modules, please visit Siemens website. This version of Logo is widely available on the market. We can buy it as a separate device or in a package prepared by Siemens and comprising the Logo 1224RC, a manual with technical data and some information on how to program the logo, a CD with sample programs, another one with software recommended for the logo, and finally a cable allowing us to connect the logo to a PC. There is one more thing which we are going to need and which is not included in a standard package, a Logo stabilized power supply input which will feed 24 volts controlled voltage to our device. The first thing we are going to do is to connect the Logo power supply input to the power supply. When doing it on your own, I recommend that you first read carefully the instructions in the manual provided by Siemens. Now we need to connect the cable with the power plug to 2 sockets marked as L1 and N. We insert the phase conductor into L1 socket and the neutral conductor into the N socket and screw them in. Next, we need to connect the power supply input to the logo. We will need 2 conductors. The first one will carry the isolated DC voltage to the logo. We need to insert this conductor to the socket marked L+. The second conductor will be the earthing cable. We insert it into the socket marked minus on the power supply to the socket marked M on the logo.